Hey, what is going on YouTube? Jay here from MJ Tech. Today coming with the brand new Pixel 5a that I was really not anticipating whatsoever. Google did contact me and said, hey, we need to update your mailing address. We have something for you. But I really wasn't expecting this particular phone. I was focusing more on the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro. But let me tell you guys, this is a very surprising phone. It has gotten cheaper than the last year's previous model, which was the 4a. This thing comes at a price of only $450. You still get that amazing 12.2 regular sensor and a 16 megapixel ultra wide with 4K capabilities at 60 frames, so on and so forth. So here I first want to give you a quick unboxing. Yes, I got sponsored with this device and it was all thanks to Google, hashtag teampixel. So let's go ahead here and break the tabs. As you guys know, I usually like to hold these kind of unboxings to do them freshly here behind the camera, just so that we can all have the same experience. So this is right now the color is what they called mostly black. Last year I got the just black, and this one has more like a greenish tint to it. And here we have the beauty. It is a slightly bigger, it has a bigger battery and a metallic frame, guys. Let's go ahead and remove here the front protector. We still have that OLED display, 1080p, and again 6.3 inches. Last year's model was 6.2 inches. We still have here the different toned power button with the volume rockers up and down. We get the fingerprint scanner on the back side of the phone. They have eliminated the laser focus on this year's 5a. I have no clue as to why, but yes, they did eliminate that sensor, but we still get the 12.2 megapixel main shooter with the 16 megapixel ultra wide, the LED flash, and check this out guys, we still have that 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. And on the left hand side of the device here, we get the SIM tray, single SIM. It doesn't have the capability of upgrading the memory, but like I said before, this is 128 gigabytes already, and it comes with 6 gigabytes of RAM, just like last year's 4a. So on the bottom we get the same quality speakers, we get the same USB-C port with the microphone, and yes, it doesn't have wireless charging still, and again this is a metallic frame with a rubber coating. So let's go ahead and set this aside for a second. On the inside, you can see we have the SIM ejector tool, and we get some manuals inside, as always. It's like a little quick start guide mainly, but of course we don't read that. Everybody knows how to use an Android device in 2021. And on the back side here, again, nothing more. Then we get here the USB-C cable with the adapter as last year. We get the 18-watt charger as well, which is more than okay. And again, we do have a bigger battery now, 4,680, almost a 5,000 milliamp battery. But what really gets to me is the fact that now the price has gone down to $450. Yes, you heard that correctly, $450. So there we have it for the contents inside of the box. Let's go ahead and check out the phone. Okay, so now we have finished here the setup on the Pixel 5a, and something that I almost forgot to mention is that we do have that punch hole in the front here with the 8 megapixel sensor camera. I did set up already the fingerprint scanner, and just like with the first 4a and even all the Pixel line that I've tested that came with the fingerprint scanner, it does work just about the same. Very little failure, very easy to set up. As you guys can tell, I just got to place my finger and it unlocks almost immediately. And we do have that slight bigger display, 6.3 inches, but it's still the refresh rate is at 60 hertz. I wish that they could have added maybe the 90 hertz refresh rate. That would have been amazing, but we don't have that here with the Pixel 5a. We still get the stereo speakers. As a matter of fact, I was playing this trailer here, Venom, and I'm gonna play it again just so you guys can get a glance at what it sounds like.
I am a predator. I need to be free. You have got to get control of your...
Well, you guys get the idea. Same sound quality, which is phenomenal. We know the Pixel 4a was known for the great speakers and also the great camera. On this device, there's definitely no exception when it comes here to the camera. We get the same qualities, the 12.2 megapixel regular shooter and the 16 megapixel ultra wide camera as well, which both of them work absolutely phenomenal. We get the 4K 60 frames per second, which is still up to date. And of course, on the front here, we get that 8 megapixel sensor, same qualities, no complaints there whatsoever. We know now that with the new processor inside of the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro, things are going to change quite dramatically. But again, when it comes here to the 5A, which has a price that we really cannot ignore, which is $450, the camera will perform absolutely great. I did also perform here, just for reference purposes, the Antutu benchmark test. And this one gave me a score of 317,000. This is the Snapdragon 765G, as we know already. So there we have it, guys. Now for the unboxing and the quick hands-on here of the Google Pixel 5a. Let me know down below what you think about the price point. $450, cheaper than last year's 4A model. Remember that we have that metallic frame now. We have a bigger battery, bigger display. So with this being said, let me know down below what you think. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more, click on the bell icon, and I will see you on my next one.